Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to transfer Matic from your Tangem wallet to a Ledger Nano X in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, managing your assets securely is key, and this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring tokens like a pro, keeping your funds safe on hardware wallets. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need the Tangem Wallet app installed on your phone and your Ledger Nano X connected to your computer with the Ledger Live app open. Also, double-check that you're on the Polygon network since Matic is the native token there. If you're not, switch networks to avoid any transaction errors. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and navigate to the Assets section. Select your Matic balance and choose the Send or Transfer option. Step 2. Enter the recipient address. This is crucial. Grab your Ledger Nano X's address from the Ledger Live app. Make sure to verify it twice to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 3. Set the amount you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transactions have fees, so check the network fees and subtract that from your total to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review the transaction details on your Tangem app. Once you're happy, confirm the transfer. You'll be prompted to approve it on your Tangem device. Use the physical button for security. Step 5. Head over to your Ledger Nano X. It should display the incoming transaction for confirmation. Approve it using your device's buttons. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes on the Polygon network, but keep an eye on the status in Ledger Live. A quick tip. Always use a secure internet connection and enable two-factor authentication on your apps to protect against hacks. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction ID. There you have it. Transferring Matic has never been easier. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.